Dude, let's go. Yo, what's goody? CPI just came out, so we broke to the upside. Let's see if we hold it. This is fun. This is fun. Every time I'm like, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? But yeah, SPY to the upside, bro. So many choppy levels. I mean, we would go 680, 130, 683, 30, 685, 686, 5, you know, like a lot of chop to the upside. We do have some bearish divergence from right here. So I'm curious if that's just going to be our sweep to come back down and fill right here. So if we come back down to bounce at 676.65, that could be our bounce point for SPY. If we break below it, I'd probably wait because you'd be shorting into a demand here. This would be an untested London low. So I'd wait for it to just break below that 672.60. And then we could grab that retest down, which I would probably stop like here. 667.5. Probably take it there. Right. So 672 to 667.5 would be a great play if we decide to go to the downside. Obviously, right now, I mean, it looks like we just did a little sweep. Got that volume coming in. This $4 move, right? So to show you guys, this would be our no trade zone, right? It's kind of how it was yesterday, except this was gorgeous. I think I just didn't trust yesterday. We have three more dogs here that we're watching for the weekend. So me and my girl had like 2 hours of sleep yesterday, and then they pissed and shit in the house. So I had to clean it up, and the market's open, so I ran to the market, bro. It was just not a day for me to trade, at least. But that's why I went super small. So now we got some good sleep. So I'm excited to come back at it. We could essentially do the same thing, but it's also just like all previous day support, Asia support, London low. So I mean that could be like previous day, Asia, London could be our third bounce and go. But on the 1 hour, I'm surprised CPI did not push this thing. Nothing's really happening. Like, are we froze? What the hell? Show you guys my other. If you guys like this better, you can get a gist of everything that I see, how I see it. Making CPI your actual. There we go. There's one. So they're still dropping the data. All right, let's play some music and just wait for the data. It's really not that big of pop or drop right now. If you walk away, dude, I know. Sometimes that's what happens. We will just freaking go sideways. Ugh. On the other side. I got this new phone mount for some more content for when I drive my Camaro. On the other side. Ooh, ooh. On the other side. Man, nothing. Come on. That is pretty strong. It's pretty strong, man. I don't get that. I'm gonna definitely put this in the Camaro. Should I put it like on the screen or like on the like passenger dash? And I could turn it for my content. Okay. We'll see. All right, well, I guess we'll just look at the other stocks because, and I know much. Looks like we got a little sweet, but we freaking didn't. I mean, we did, but damn, give us some. Give us a good Friday. Give us a good Friday. I mean, shit. Yeah, literally just have to watch. Watch what happens. Also, key tip for you guys that helps me. I don't know if you guys are like me and are like little crackheads to enter a trade. Even to this day, I still want to enter the second I think I see some. It's a lot easier to just keep your charts on the 1 hour time frame and just you can see like when price is approaching a key level. And then you just wait for price to get to that key level and then you play off of that, right? So it's that like if you're on here, you might think you see something happening approaching a key level. So like, oh, it should break out. That's how you get trapped. Just wait for the breakout. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it works great, right? Sometimes you get trapped. So it is a lot easier to just chill on that 1 hour and just wait and then it'll help you be able to sit on the 5 minute and just wait till it hits your levels. So NVIDIA above 185 to 187 looks pretty good, right? That looks pretty good to me. If we break that, we'll go grab that 187. AMD went to the upside, broke that. AMD's on its way to 242.25. So AMD, we're a little overbought, but we'll see if we could grab this retest of previous day high and take it to that 242. Oh gosh. I think that's decent. If we go 241. Yeah. That's nice. I like that for AMD for sure. So 237 bounce to 241. Hopefully that might be a good one. Wish there wasn't the divergence on there. Tesla is staying here. Tesla, I like a little bounce at this 344. That would be nice, right? We just made a higher high, right? So we have right here. Oh, geez, I cannot draw a straight line. All right, we have right here. That was better. So this was the previous high, right? To keep pushing to the downside. And then now we just broke that. So now we have to retest. As long as we hold that 344, we should be able to get a nice continuation play. At least back to 349. If you want to wait and be safe, you can take that 349 to 353. And that is also, longing into a supply, but it's a good, you can take it. We have potential to come all the way back up to this 362. So I would take that higher high, especially right here, and then go to that next one, right? Meta's just a beast. Meta's beast in it. Man, I love Meta. We tried to short Meta yesterday. This reject should have been nice, but with the news, made it all pop through. So now we'll see what happens today. That's 637 to 642. It looks pretty nice. We'll go, 630. Honestly, we'll take it to. I don't think I tried this last night. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. Nice. Listen to the music in the moment, people dancing. That could be nice. Hood could be really nice. Look at this. This is the time that I'd want to swing trade something. Well, I think we could swing trade that thing to at least 88. That'd be man. You know what? Let's do it. I'm gonna do it. I'll call it out when I enter it. I'll call it out when I enter it. I would want to break 72.60. I want to break that 72.60. And we'll take it right up to 81 and then 88. 81.5 could be trim. 88.8 could be full TP if it works out like that. Because this is a nice break and retest. Man. Even all the way up. That's what I'm saying. There ain't no better reason. Yeah, I like that. I like that. We'll see. Let's see. I gotta set an alert. All right, Microsoft. I think I had some good levels for. Yeah, Microsoft. If we break 377, we go to 383. That'd be a good one. So there's a lot, right? You guys could write down all these levels. I'm only gonna write down on the watch list certain ones to watch for. So we all know. Let's reiterate. We got some more people. So when we wait for, if I say 376.74, we're on the 5-minute time frame when we enter these trades, right? So how that break and retest should look would be, this is a perfect example, right? So let's say 368.70 was a bounce point, and you see that we fell right through it, right? You might have entered here maybe, but that would be pretty slow. We want to wait for a higher high to be made. Excuse me. So we're super oversold. We break below it. We're like, all right, well, we wanted to bounce around this point. So if it goes below it, then I don't want it anyways. All right, well then, wow, now we came back above it. So we get a strong 5-minute candle close above that key level that we have, along with a push in volume. So we know, okay, sweet. Now we could grab this retest of that key level, right? Wait for price to come back to that key level, because that's 368.70. Stop loss would be 368.10. If you wanted to, 367.70, make it a whole dollar. So then it would look something like this. That's your stop loss. And then your take profit, right? Since this is your change of character, you can take it all the way back to this unfilled area where price just went down, right? Technically, yeah, all the way to the high, but that's like kind of being greedy with it. But this is perfect. That's a perfect TP, and that's a pretty good move right there. 368.70 to 372. That's $4. I mean, that's a $4 move. So that was nice. That was nice. So that's what I'm saying. Like, wait for that confirmation, wait for the candle close. Because trust me, as this has happened, you're gonna feel like you're missing it. You're like, oh my gosh, and then people enter because they're like, shit, dude, I'm missing it. It's fucking going. And then you enter, and then you're like, oh shit, dude, I'm down. I'm gonna get out. I'm down a lot. Especially if it wicks below the line. You're like, oh shoot. And then I get out, and then it launches. So don't try to play catch up with the charts. You see it happen, wait for it to come to you, and then enter. You're like a lion just waiting. You got 100 gazelles coming by. You're just waiting for that one. And you go grab that motherfucker. You get the whole thing. All right. All right. Wow. Nothing. For real though. That's how it should be. All right. Well, let's see, because I have a feeling. Right. My brother does that shit all the time. It pisses my girl off so bad. He'll be like, rawr. I'm like, dude. Oh, God. This could actually be, I mean, I'll put money on it there too. I would say this could be our bounce. This could be our bounce zone. So we'll wait to see that. Me too, girl. I need. I get the stomping in my Air Force Ones. Man, I mean, like, we could. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Watch list. Good morning, family. Here is what I'm watching. CPI data came out. Not a huge reaction. Let's see how the day goes. Boom. It's Friday. So if you're still green this week, which you should be, we only took one loss. We took one fucking loss. If you gave back all your profits for the week on one loss, yeah, that's on you, my guy. Girl, my girl or my guy. It's Friday, so if you're still green, focus on preserving that. You don't have to go heavy every time. You feel me? You have to go heavy every time. Boom. Hey, bro, can you let me know? Can any of y'all watching right now let me know if you get this with the active traders alert? Because it's a new thing my boy helped me set up from the Discord for the active traders. So that'd be cool if you could help me set that up. 683 to 685. Let's go. 685 or below. Oh my gosh. 676. Yeah, see, this is one of those days. We either bounce there or we don't touch it until all the way. 672.5. Below 672.5 to 667.5. All right. That's for SPY. Or, right, so for you guys watching, I'm just saying above here, we'll go to 685. Above 683, we go to 685. We break that resistance. If we fall through support, obviously you can take that 676 to 672, but that's still bullish. So I'm not going to take a short into a demand. I'm going to wait for below 672.6 to take that to 667.5. All right. Because then that would essentially be our bull bear pivot. But expecting a bounce between 677, 678 and 676. Right here, I'm expecting a bounce. All right. Cool. Good talk. Nvidia, I think we're going to go take out that 185. Obviously, I mean, we're on the way there now. Maybe not. We might reject that 184. But we'll see. See what happens with Nvidia. Above 185 to 187 is pretty good. Yeah, that should be good. There it is. Yeah. Nvidia above 185 to 187. Boom. Or same with Nvidia though. This I would only go short until below 180.5 to 178. Behind your eyes. Oh yeah, we still want that, huh? We still want that 237 bounce. I'd rather go AMD, y'all. 237 bounces clean. Clean, fam. 237 bounce to potentially 241. Clean, fam. Clean. Yeah, I like that. For sure. Yeah. You could take it below there, but let's see what happens. I just want bounce. I did like Tesla above 349 to 353. This will be the last one. Above 349 to 353. Boom. Yeah. Or 344 bounce. But we'll see. Set alerts on Tesla. Set alert on AMD set. NVIDIA set. And SPY. We'll see. All right. So that's it. That's all we're watching. And Microsoft is set. If you guys are on live, you got the Microsoft trade. And that's some good fucking potential on that Microsoft one. So all right, lock in, wait for the confirmations. Make sure you RSVP for the free mastermind if you haven't. April 12th is Sunday, bro. Coming up, 2 days. 2 days, 7:30. Sign up, spread the word. Anybody who's been interested, get them on there. Like I'm literally showing the entire process of how to make this shit work. All right, let's go. Let's go.